Do you want to build a website for your YouTube channel? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a website like this with your own photos and your own name, and then also your own YouTube videos on here. So if you want to find out how you can build an amazing website just like this one with all of your content on it in just a few minutes, this is going to be a great video as I'll show you step by step how you can make a website like this without any experience. Let's get started. The website builder that we're going to be using is called Wix. So if you go to wix.com, you can click on Get Started and you can then sign up for an account. Now you can do this for free. I do want to let you know that there will be a subdomain available. So what you can do is simply sign up right here and then you'll be sent over to the sign in page, which I'll show you right now. And after signing in, I should be able to show you. Yep, there we go. So this is the My Site, aka the dashboard on Wix. Now, if you're new, what you want to do is click on Create New Site in the top right corner. You can then close that one, click Other, click Choose a Template. The reason I say that is because then you can choose a pre-built template for you. So what you can then do is simply type in YouTube channel. And then what will happen is that they'll show you all of these templates. Now, if you do that, you will find templates, but they're not great. So what I recommend doing is simply go into Creative and then go to Vlog, which is under Video. So if you click on Vlog, you'll see more of these templates that you can use. So on here, they've got 6. You can also go with any other one on here. However, I found this one to be awesome. So what you can do on Wix is pretty much use a template to build your own website. What I'm going to do is preview a template. So if you click on View Full Demo, you can preview a template. Now this is the one that I showed you in the intro, and we're going to be using and customizing this in the video. Now what you can do is click Edit this site, and you will then be brought to the Wix website builder where you can build and customize your template. Now if you're not satisfied with how it looks, what you can do is simply choose another one and just click View and then Edit once again. So that's pretty much how you can use it. However, if we go into the Wix website builder, which will load in a bit, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Here we are in the Wix website builder. So this is the template that we chose, and on here we can start customizing all of this with our own info and own images and even YouTube videos, of course. So what I recommend doing first is changing the header. So I'm going to click on the text, click Edit Text, and then you can change it. So I'm going to change it to How to Digital, because that's my channel name. Now you can see that this doesn't really fit that well, so you can select it and change the font size. So all of this stuff on Wix is customizable and it's pretty easy to do. You simply click on it and you can customize. So that's also not me in the background. So you can click on it, click Change Strip Background, and you can then replace it with videos, images, or colors. If you go with video, you simply click on it. So maybe you would already like to show a YouTube video from yourself. You have to upload it as a media file. You cannot include a link yet, but what you can do is just upload a link. For now, I don't want to have a video on there. I want to have an image. So click Image, then click Upload Media, or choose any image on here. So let's say that for the video, I'm not gonna post an image of myself, but let's say that this is me, right? I'm just gonna search for a man, and then there we go. Let's say that this is me, or maybe I'm this guy. What I would do is simply select the image and then click Change Background. So just imagine that that's actually your picture, you've just uploaded it, and you'll then get it to show up. So I make tutorial videos about literally anything, like tech, social media. So what I could say is tutorial videos about social media and tech websites. And you can do whatever you want, right? Social media and tech websites. So maybe if you make makeup content, you can put in videos about makeup and whatever, XYZ. Pretty much put in whatever it is that you do. Next up, you can change this text to I would change it to videos because I don't make vlogs. A lot of the mainstream media seems to think that vlogs are any type of video. Obviously it's not. So what you can do is then click right here, Manage Videos. That's what I recommend doing first. Now what this allows you to do, and I'll show you that in a bit, is that it goes into the back end of your actual videos on the website. As you can see, videos, live stream, and then channels. So on here you can link your channel, but what you can also do is embed any video from YouTube, Vimeo or Facebook, and that's where the good stuff happens. Because if I now go to my own channel, and you can do the same thing, click enter, just go to the channel that you would like to use. This is my channel as of right now, so let's say that I would like to showcase let's say this video right there. I would simply copy the link. I would then go back to the Wix website builder. I would paste that link in there. It's then gonna load, click add video, and that video should then be showcased on my homepage. And that's what you can do for your YouTube channel website. It's pretty cool. So what this allows you to do, and I'll finish the website in a bit, is simply add lots of videos. So what you can now do is click on that check mark and then update info, set pricing, or add to channels. Set pricing is not really necessary, like it doesn't make sense for this type of website, so it's not necessary. But if I now go back, you can see that my video is indeed showing up here, and people can click on play video. That's awesome. That's all I needed. Now if I go back even more, you'll see for more videos. So because I just really deleted, my bad, all of the other videos, it's not showing up. So I'm gonna go to manage videos, and I'm gonna do this for a couple more. So once again, pick a few videos that you would like on there. So I'm gonna go with this one, this one, this one, and this one. So what I'm gonna do is simply copy the link, then go to Wix, click add video, click YouTube, then paste that, click add to library. And then I'm gonna do this 3 more times. So hopefully this is not gonna take too long, because it needs to process the video, of course. There we go. Then we're gonna do the CPA Elite one, so you can see where this is going. So all you need to do now is click add video, and then copy paste the link from your own video onto the website, and it would then show up on the website itself. So that is pretty cool and pretty basic. Now let me already do the next one, because that's going to speed up the process a bit. So you guys get the point. Simply copy and paste all the links that you would like to show on your website on here, and they will show up. So I'm going to leave it at this. I'm not going to use the other one. So 4 links is fine, 4 videos that would show up. So if I click right there and then scroll down, I'm pretty sure, yep, there we go. So all of these videos are now showing up beneath that, which is cool, and people can click on that. If I scroll down even further, I can also add my own personal information. So it says, this is my story. Right there, I can click edit text, and then I could say, I'm XYZ, blah, blah, from How to Digital. I do this and that. I do it because of this. I like it because of this, and just basic stuff like that. You can then change the image by simply clicking right there. Click, let's see, change column background, click image. Once again, I've already shown you guys how you can do this, but let me just show you again, because you then pretty much know forever how it will work. If I go to Unsplash, I believe I did, and then click or like search for men, and then search, and then I went with this picture, but let's say that this guy is actually me. All of this stuff is free to use, by the way. All right, I keep messing up. Let me go back, cancel, click, change background, and there we go. It's pretty basic, and that's how it works, and that's how you can build your entire website. Now we're almost done already. You can see the next page is Instagram. So if you don't want to showcase your Instagram, then you don't have to. If you want to, however, you can just click settings. It's going to go Instagram feed, and you can connect your own Instagram account so that your own Instagram posts will show up right there, which is a good thing, because then all of your social media profiles are getting more exposure. This is the contact page, so what you would do is simply enter in your own email, and people can then contact you. Once you're done with all of that, you can preview it to see if you actually like it. Click preview in the top right corner, scroll back, and there we go. This is now my YouTube channel website. I've got a cool banner, like a header, of course, background, How to Digital tutorial videos about social media and tech websites. If I then scroll down, it says my videos. There we go, we've got one of my videos, and we've got 4 more videos. People can click on that. You can also click right there if you want to add even more videos. And then this is a story about me. I didn't put in text, so it's not showing up, but you can, of course, link your Instagram, contact page, and that's it. Pretty cool, right? So we literally just built an amazing website in just 10 minutes. That's insane. So honestly, guys, if you play around with this a little bit more, you can get an amazing website. Now we need to publish this, so let's click publish in the top right corner. Like I said, you can do this for free. However, there will be wixsite.com in the domain name. If you don't want that, if you want www.your YouTube channel name, so xyz.com, you would have to pay an upgrade, but you pretty much have to do that with any website builder. It's not because I use Wix that you have to do that. You always have to do that. So let me not do this, and there we go. So I'm pretty sure that we're live. View site, and there we go. So I just built my own YouTube channel website in just a few minutes. Hopefully you appreciate the video, guys. If you do, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. That would help me out, and that would help push this video to more people. So yeah, that would help. Yeah, would be helpful. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.